Hello, my name is Florian Jakob and I'm going to show you around on proficloud.io, the IIoT platform from Phoenix Contact. And in this video, we are going to take a look at the firmware update in the device management. And without further ado, let's directly dive in. So I'm in the device management service right now. I need to select the device with the firmware I want to update. Let's head over to the firmware tab. We can see previous updates and we can see the current firmware version. It's 2024.0.5 LTS. Let's see the available firmware version right now. Let's maybe take the next one and click on Update Firmware Now. As you can see, it directly checks if I am, as my user is allowed to update the firmware. It's checking the firmware file, the download and all that stuff. Now in the last step, the device itself is turning off and it will turn online again in a few minutes, and then we will get the last status of the firmware installation. The firmware of different devices can be updated if they are connected directly to proficloud.io. In this case, we are mainly talking about XCF axial line controllers from Phoenix Contact. And they actually have all the important steps in their system. So when we're talking about checking the firmware update, checking the download, the files, the permissions, and so on and so on, this is everything that is being done by the device and by the IoT platform proficloud.io to make sure that even if an update fails, it will just roll back to the last working version, so you don't need to worry about the system stability with updating the firmware via proficloud.io. And there you go, the device is now online again, and you can see the firmware update successful over here. And we can check the last updates over here if we refresh the page once. Thank you very much for watching these small video snippets. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. We are more than happy to show you around, give you a live demonstration of what we are showing here. And we are very curious about your use cases, so please reach out. Have a good day. Bye-bye.